What's the best way to position yourself in this gold market? We have Doug Groh with us now. He is a portfolio manager with Tocqueville Asset Management. Doug, welcome back to the show.
Thanks, Daniela. Good to be here.
Yeah, and I enjoyed moderating the panel that you were on this morning.
That was fun.
It was good. There were some good takeaways there, and then we're going to try and sum up everything we kind of accomplished in those 45 minutes. Let's start by getting your thoughts on the gold space now. I know we've had multiple talks on this, on why gold is just so range bound and what's it going to take really to break out of this here, Doug.
You know, I think the range bound nature of this market is really, I guess, a number of events. You know, the equity markets have really done pretty well, and people are focused on that. They're focused on the cryptocurrencies, the coins, the cannabis, and the other speculative aspects of the marketplace. So gold isn't quite getting the play, but actually gold prices are doing well. They're holding up above $1,300. They're up above the average last year and the year before. They have a nice progression. I think the challenge is that 1370, and we'll see what the Fed does. You know, the gold prices are going up in spite of higher interest rates. So that's pretty encouraging, I think. You know, people aren't paying attention.
And it really is, as you say, a matter of perspective. I think we forget that not too long ago, well, at least when I started in precious metals, gold was below $1,000. And I remember there was talk, was gold going to hit 1,000? And
the miners are doing pretty well at this price. And in Canada, Australia, the gold price is very comfortable for them.
Let's look at the miners now. I know you were saying you're focused on the mid-tier and the majors. You moved away from the juniors this year?
Well, we moved away from the Explos, the Explore companies.
Okay, so what's the thought process here?
Well, the Explore companies, exciting in terms of their discovery, but they're challenged in terms of keeping their business going from a capital perspective. So we're really looking at those companies that have an operation where they can add value through expansion or acquisition or some type of creative way of creating value.
Now, the gold miners has been underperforming physical gold. Do you think this is do you think it's a trend that's going to continue, or?
I think for maybe the foreseeable future we'll see that, but we're getting at a valuation that's very compelling. And I think as long as the gold price is on a positive trend, you're going to start to see people pick back up and look at the gold miners probably later this year. I think we have to see good free cash flow on a sustained basis, and I think people will come back to the space on the basis of that.
Doug, can you give us some stock picks that you like?
Well, we like Pan American Silver. We're big into that. We stepped into Detour Gold, and despite their challenges, we're a believer in that deposit and that asset. We think that they can either correct it or the market will correct it for them. We would think it's a very attractive acquisition candidate. They've had a couple stumbles, and the majors are going to be looking for assets in North America. We're more focused on North America than we have been in the past. We're concerned about geopolitical risk.
I always appreciate when you come on. I appreciate it.
Thanks,
Thank you
Daniela.
so much.
Very, very good to see you.
And thanks for watching. We'll have much more for you on Kitco.com.